Hey there, this is Tammy. Wanted to record this exciting video. You can see Friday, July 24th, even on a Friday, people are opting into my website. Exciting times. So these are real leads. This is not AI, by the way. This content in this video has nothing to do with AI. I just wanted to preface by saying that. There's a lot of stuff out there nowadays that people are faking stuff, and it just really boils my blood. So I'm here to set the record straight. This is what I've been doing for 14 years. The last 7 years, I've been working with my own system, no one else's. This is Tammy again, the Fearless Mama Online. So what you're seeing again is all these leads opting into my page. They're my leads. They go on to my email list, okay? So you don't have to worry about anyone else stealing your leads. Let me tell you, I've had countless stories of people ripping me off. Oh gosh, everybody gives me the sad whoa story. I guess you could call me the fearless, unstoppable Tammy, because I don't let anything stop me or persuade me to stop. I just keep going. So I'm not, of course, going to share their email addresses, because then it would give you that lead. So obviously, this is the proof in the pudding that you're always looking for. I know it. And whether I do a video or not on this, I still get leads. So, whether you're listening to this video or not, I'm still making money online. So I'm going to show you, I have a school community I've been building. I'm really shifting away from Facebook more and more. So you're listening to this video. Maybe I did post it onto my Facebook page. But what I'm doing is I've concentrated onto YouTube lately. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm over here. You'll be able to see that it is the official channel for Get Fearless Freedom. My main page. You can go to my main page. I'll show you that I put up my links, of course, on my YouTube channel as well. So this is my main page right here. This is what's collecting all those leads. So you always want to have a capture page. You do not want to just send people a raw link. Why? Well, because think about how many people you sent a raw link to last week. Did they join you? Most likely not. And you're probably following up like a mad woman or madman in their inbox or texting. Who wants to do that when you can have an automated system completely on automation for you? So that's the reason why I continue to keep using my system, of course, and with my best offer, which is Get Fearless Freedom. I've produced another offer this year, 300 cash vault. And for example, I just sent out an email for that list. So you can email people, and it's still the king of marketing, email marketing, okay? With Get Fearless Freedom, I email your leads for you. So all you have to do is focus on marketing. I email them, and I also text them. I also call them back, and I have assistants to help me do so. My son works with me full time. He's always on Mondays. If he's not on Mondays, then we're typically on YouTube. So make sure that you subscribe again to my channel here. I'll drop it below in the link description. But you can see that I have shorts going. There's one short here that it literally went viral, and I'm trying to find it. I think it was when we were out on a boat, and it's got over like 4,000 views now. My family and I, people want that time freedom. They don't want to sit around and chasing people, So you can see here, I get huge amounts of views, and you can share your channel. You can put it over on all these social media. I share my syndication process. Whenever I upload a video, I have that in my training in the back office. So you can just kind of see and scroll, of some of the content in the algorithm that I've trained my YouTube channel for, motivation, for different health and wellness, music, things like that. So that's the point of a search engine like YouTube, and it really is a search engine. Here is the 300 Cash Vault product that I talked about. It's right here. So you'll see it's another clean white page, and these work very well. A lot of top marketers use this system. A lot of top marketers caught on to what I was doing, and now they've run a spin-off of this clean white page concept. And it does collect a lot of leads in cold traffic. So you can see once again over here, this is where you get your notifications, is in your email. And all you got to do is log into Get Response, and you just set it to get your email notifications like this, because it's exciting. It's exciting to get all these leads coming in and notifications that people are looking at your 7-minute video. So we help you get set up like this, up and running, and it's very, very simple. So within, I'd say 30 minutes, I got these, well, of course, over a 24-hour period, but it only took me 5 minutes to set up this campaign. And I give you my exclusive traffic sources at the 500 level in Get Fearless Freedom. So make sure you're, of course, joining at that level, but then there's another level coming out, a higher level, and I'll be training literally on how I do this, a 30-minute workday. That's it. I'm on and off, and then I'm off and doing something fun with the family. My husband and I took our granddaughter on a fun aquarium trip on Thursday. So it's really fun. When you learn how to leverage systems, you're going to get the bug as well. You really will. Once you get this bug, it's something that you won't be able to get over. So anyway, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the link below in the description, and it will take you right over here to one of my pages. So I will talk to you on the next video. Take care.